welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. I don't even remember what update this is. We've been doing it forever. Like, it really seems like forever. This is a project that was created between myself and Amanda. Let me tell you when we started it. I know it was 2019. Nope, 2018. It was August 19th of 2018. Yeah, it's been going on for a while. We are trying to pan a product for every single episode that has ever aired. We're trying to tie those products into that episode somehow, some way. Sometimes it's a very tenuous link, but you know, as long as we can link it in some fashion, you know, it's good to go. We have had some people join in. As of right now, I know a handful of people have joined in. Lauren Smith, she has recently updated. Tanya, I don't know if she's updated for a while. She's Irreverent Beauty. Lorna, she is on Instagram. Lavender Web, I believe, is what her handle is on Instagram. And then Anne has also joined in. I'm going to have all these beautiful ladies listed down below if you want to go check them out to see where they are with their Supernatural Pan Interrupted updates. Whew, we are doing 6 products at a time, and because the 6 is a very prominent number in this show, so that's why we chose 6. And 6 is not always a good number. Not always a good number. So, yeah, let's get into this update. This is a very exciting update for me. Like, very exciting, because I'm moving out 3 products. Yay! I'm so excited. One is an actual empty, and the other 2 were usage products that I was able to meet my usage on. It's such a good feeling. I can finally roll in some more episodes and work on some different things. So, the one that's been in here the longest, it has been in here so long, that is for a very Supernatural Christmas. I was trying to use this 20 times. This was pretty much brand new when I brought it in, and you can see it is down to here, actually a little bit lower, like right there. This is Holiday Jingle, which is why it's for a very Supernatural Christmas. I did use it 20 times, and as much as I like it, this is not the color I want to use all year long. I don't know what I was thinking when I said 20 uses, because for something that's this color, it literally took forever. So I'm very happy that that is done. I have met my usage goal on that. It is going back into my nail drawer. I will probably bring it out for some usage like Christmas time, for like minimal usage at Christmas time. And then I'll probably bring it back again like for St. Patrick's Day or something like that. It should never have been in for as long as it was. All right, moving on to Mystery Spot, which that episode, it was like a version of Groundhog Day in Supernatural. Sam kept having these, keep reliving the same day over and over again in which Dean died. And yeah, every day there was a little bit of change. And I don't know if we ever established by the end of the episode just how many days Sam was stuck in this loop. But anyway, my groundhog or mystery spot was the Event Blossom lip balm. I actually scraped this out and melted it down into a lip balm tube. That lip balm tube was used up and emptied, and I have since remelted something else into there. Gotta keep my lip balm tubes rolling, because I have a lot of potted stuff to get through this year. I'm very happy to have another lip balm out of my collection because, well, I got a ton of them, which is why it's like my Groundhog Day, because they just won't go away. Let me move that off to the side there. All right, and the next one rolling out is for Yellow Fever. Yellow, notice the yellow. Of course, that is the episode where Dean does Eye of the Tiger, like lip syncing on Baby. If you know Supernatural, you know the episode I'm talking about. So my goal was to use this 5 times. I probably used it 15 times in the past month. It was out. I just used it instead of pulling something else out. And then, yeah. So that is what I have used for the past month. And like my curls like gel. I like mousse and some other things, but my hair prefers gel. All right, so those are my rollouts. Let me show you what is staying in here. For the episode, time is on my side. That's a doctor that's obsessed with eternal life. So I chose something that is like age reverse from Exuviance. This is the hand peel and the hand rejuvenator. I've only used it once since the last update, which is not going to get me very far, but a lot of people weighed in on how I should use it. A lot of people said that I should use it till the cream is gone because this is going to go faster than this stuff is. A lot of people said this was my original goal, to just take it to there. So, which I'm going to do whichever comes first, whether the cream is done first or I get to the original goal, which is this line here and I'm up here. Whichever happens first, that's when this is going to get rolled out. So it's still going. Like I said, I only used it once since the last update. It has been a very crazy month since I last updated, so it is what it is, and you know, we're gonna live with it. This hair today, I don't know what is going on. It's probably because of the rain, but that's my story and I'm sticking to it. All right, so no rest for the wicked. I have ColourPop, no rest for the vivid, and my goal is to use this 20 times. I am at 15 uses. I believe I will have this one rolling out for the next update. There's no reason why I can't get 5 uses on this one in the next month or so. Next is for Monster Movie, one of my all-time favorite episodes. There's like a handful that I just absolutely adore, and this is one of them. Monster Movie is about a shapeshifter. This whole movie is done in black and white and shades of gray, which makes it even more appropriate that this shadow is gray. It is held during Oktoberfest, and Sam and Dean are investigating like these old, like the old monster movies, like Dracula and stuff like that, like the old ones, like the black and white ones. They keep showing up, and so I went off of those old Hollywood monsters, and I chose the Eyeshadow Hollywood, and I am going to attempt to finish this. I have been using this a lot lately. I've actually been getting a lot of compliments on it. It is so not my color, but there are people that say that I look good in gray. Okay. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the whole thing, and I'm really trying to go hard on this one, but it's pigmented, and yeah, I don't even know what to say. I've definitely expanded the pan, not like anything major, but I have expanded it. I'm just going to keep working on it, see if I can't make some really good progress in the next month, because I'm filming this a smidge early, probably at the three week mark. So by the time I update it next time, it's probably going to be like 5 weeks, but in your time, it's going to really only be a month. Y'all know what I'm saying. So hopefully I can have some good progress on that one. Kind of thinking maybe doing those two together, just get some usage and, you know, put a pretty color in with a color that's less preferred, I guess. All right, I have got to roll in 3 things, which is kind of cool. The not cool thing is they're all eyeshadow. Like, I'm not panning enough eyeshadow, but it was very hard to fill these prompts or like fit it to the episodes without going with eyeshadow. So it is what it is. One of them is for finishing, and the other 2 are for usage. So wish me luck. All right, first episode. It's the Great Pumpkin, Sam Winchester. That's kind of a creepy episode where Sam Hain is being brought back, and like in like the first part of the episode, dude dies eating Halloween candy. It was kind of gruesome, and yeah. I went with a play off of the actual title. It's the Great Pumpkin, Sam Winchester. So I am going to take a shadow out of this. Don't even ask me how to pronounce this one. I got it as a review and I never reviewed it. I'm going to do this shadow right here. It is actually called Pumpkin, so it fits. It fits with the title of that episode. My goal for that one is to finish it. It's a really easy shade. It is nothing amazing right there. I think I'll be able to finish it without any problem. It's going to be an easy shade to do. All right, for Wishful Thinking, I actually think this is the first episode I ever saw of Supernatural. If I'm not mistaken, this is the very first episode I ever saw, because I didn't even realize it was going on. There was I was busy with life and, doing all these things, and then I saw that first episode and I was hooked, and I know in the back of my mind I recognized Jensen Ackles, so I didn't remember why, so I wanted to keep watching further episodes to see why I recognized him, why he looked familiar to me. It turns out it was from watching him in Dark Angel. Yes, because I'm that nerd. And so by the time I figured out where I recognized him from, yeah, I was hooked on the whole show. So anywho, long story short, Wishful Thinking, the first episode I ever saw, it was about a wishing well. It was inside of a Chinese restaurant. Someone used an ancient coin that was a magical, mystical coin, threw it into this wishing well, made a wish, and then had his, the girl of his dreams, who didn't even realize that he existed, fall in love with him, and, other people's, that opened a whole can of worms. Other people that wished on the wishing well with just regular coins were able to make their wishes and have their wishes come true, just because it kind of opened this portal to all these wishes. So it became a mystical wishing well. So I chose the ColourPop Jelly Much in the color Mystical. Let me open this up. You'll be able to see it from the back, sides, whatever. I want to use this 5 times. It's a lovely topper, and it seems most logical to me to just do it for 5 uses, because I have others that work in a similar fashion. So 5 uses on that one. And then this next one, you're going to laugh. You are so going to laugh. This is I Know What You Did Last Summer. I sat here forever trying to figure out a product for this one, and I couldn't do it. I could not figure out a product for this one. It's basically about this girl. She's in a psych ward, and they think she's crazy because she says she hears angels' voices, which she actually does. And so she's escaped, and she is trying to warn Sam and Dean about the demon Alistair that's supposed to be coming down and doing bad things. And it eventually works itself out. I mean, Alistair's trying to kill Anna, who is the girl that hears angels, and it's a very interesting episode. Anyway, I did not know what to pick for this, so I went off of the fact that she can hear angels. I'm like, I've got to have something in here in my collection with angels or something to that effect. There was one thing only. It really doesn't make any sense other than the fact that it has the word angel in it, but I'm going to go with it because I had nothing else in here that I could find to fit with this episode. So this is Bare Minerals, and it is Angel Food Cake. I know, go ahead, say it, laugh, whatever, but it's the only thing that had with angel in it, or that I could fit with this, and I was not going to sit here for an hour more trying to figure this out. So I'm going to swatch this for you. You can see how pretty it is. I definitely can make that work. I'm going to just go for 5 uses, again, because I have other shadows that I'm working on that I would use in a similar way to this. So, it'll be fine. The pumpkin one, that one's just going to be too easy to use because it's a small enough pan, and it's pretty shallow. You can see this one, it's pretty shallow. They're the size of an ABH kind of shadow, and it's an easy color. I'm not worried about that one. These 2, 5 uses each. Wish me luck. Laugh at me for Angel Food Cake. I'm okay with that because, you got to do what you got to do. desperate times call for desperate measures. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Go check out the other ladies that have joined into this collab because, wow, I've been talking forever and I'm surprised my camera hasn't started to overheat or run out of battery or something because I have just been like a little chatty Cathy today. So, all right, go check everyone out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.